How to turn off DoorDash notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the DoorDash application on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are someone who basically uses the DoorDash application to order food and you get lots of marketing notifications that sometimes you don't like it as a consumer, in order to turn the notifications off you have to simply open settings and then simply go to the option called notifications. Once you go to notifications, you should be able to find the DoorDash app here. If you do find DoorDash, select that and then turn off the toggle from the top. Now in case you don't find DoorDash over here, even if you do find after you complete that step, just go to the Siri suggestions here, and once you go to Siri suggestions, you can simply look for the DoorDash application here and then just turn off the toggle next to DoorDash like this, and notifications for DoorDash will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn off DoorDash notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.